In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini in the Google app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop Gemini activity from being saved in your account, which can be helpful if you want a bit more privacy or just prefer not to keep a history of your prompts and responses. Start by opening the Gemini experience in the Google app on your phone. Launch the Google app as you normally would. If you see Gemini on the home screen, you're in the right place. If not, look for the Gemini icon or the option to switch from the standard Google view to Gemini. If you use the standalone Gemini app, opening that works the same for this process. Next, go to Settings. The fastest way to find it is to tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Settings from the menu. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the gear icon or a settings label. The option will be there. Inside Settings, tap Activity. Depending on your version, it may appear as Gemini Apps Activity or simply Activity. This is where Google controls what gets saved from your interactions with Gemini, like your prompts and the responses you receive. On the Activity page, look for a section that shows the status as On. You'll see a small arrow pointing down next to it. Tap that arrow to expand the controls. This drop-down reveals the setting that determines whether your Gemini activity is being saved to your account. Now select Turn Off. If a confirmation screen appears, choose Turn Off again to finalize it. After you confirm, Gemini will stop saving new activity to your account. This does not delete anything you already have. It just prevents new interactions from being saved going forward. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and turn it back on. A couple of helpful notes. Turning off activity doesn't disable Gemini entirely. It simply stops saving your new prompts and responses to your account. Some data may still be processed temporarily for features, security, or to improve performance, but it won't be stored in your personal activity history when this setting is off. If you don't see the activity option, make sure your app is updated and try again. Also, you might need a steady internet connection for the change to register. That's it. You've successfully turned off Gemini activity in the Google app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take better control of your privacy settings.